Struggling to eat healthy with a busy schedule? In this video, we'll share simple meal prep tips and recipes to help you stay on track effortlessly. Meal prep isn't just about saving time. It ensures you have balanced options ready to go. Let's break it down into simple steps. Plan your meals. Start by deciding on your meals for the week. Think about breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Make a grocery list. Once you know your meals, list all the ingredients to avoid impulse buying and ensure you have everything on hand. Set aside time. Dedicate 1 or 2 days a week to prep your meals. Here are some strategies to make meal prep even easier. Batch cooking. Cook large portions of ingredients like rice, chicken, or beans. Freeze half of them and use in different meals for days when you're extra busy. Prep ingredients, not just meals. If you're short on time, chop veggies, marinate proteins, or pre-cook grains. This way, you can assemble meals quickly when needed. Here are a few easy meal prep ideas to get you started. For breakfast, overnight oats are a lifesaver. Mix oats and milk in a jar, leave it in the fridge overnight, add your favorite fruit, and a sprinkle of nuts, and you've got a ready-to-eat, nutrient-packed breakfast. For lunch, try a chicken and quinoa salad bowl. Cook chicken breast and quinoa in advance, then layer them with spinach, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers. For dinner, sheet pan meals are a game changer. Roast chicken, sweet potatoes, and broccoli on a single pan with olive oil and seasoning. For snacks, prep veggie sticks with hummus or make energy bites using oats, peanut butter, and honey. With a little planning and these simple strategies, you can enjoy nutritious meals every day without the stress. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Nutriment.